Hey everyone, this is Mother from TechniciaStudios here for another app showcase video. So today the Windows 8 app which we would be showcasing is Toolbox for Windows 8. So let's jump right inside to my start menu and show you. So here it is, the Toolbox app. So here you can see the metro style icon. It's of full size. You can turn it down to smaller size, but it looks good in like large size. So wait a second, let me show you. So when you open up Toolbox, you see this little animation come up, and then these tools just come up. So you have mainly 10 tools. Like, it's the web where you can browse the internet. You have the calculator where you can calculate stuff. Like, you have the converter. You have Facebook for browsing your Facebook. You have voice notes. You have notifier. You have clock, weather, doodle, and also you have a tool depot from which you can download new tools which have been added recently to tool depot. So first of all, let's go to web. So what web is? So, like, it's an integrated web browser which is built inside the Toolbox. So it's real nice. Like, it is basically meant for, like, what we call it, multitasking. You can multitask with ease in this single app. So in the single app you have all the stuff that is mainly required. So you need clock, you have clock. You need internet, you have internet. You want to socialize, you have Facebook. You want to do calculations, you have calculator. You want to take notes, like in your class, you have voice notes. You want to check the weather outside, you have weather. You have you want to do drawing, you have doodle. You want like alerts or notifications, you have notifier. You want to convert like different, want to do conversions like from different currencies, from different units, you have converter. And also you will get more tools from the tool depot later on. So let's go ahead and see all of them. So web is basically the internet. You can see, like, it opens up a browser type. Like, it has an integrated browser. It shows web on the top. Let's go to, like, so it's basically nice, but it like, it's a little bit lags. This app is really heavy, so it a little bit lags when if you have a little bit like normal PC, like HTPC if you have. So it's basically like the web browser is real simple. Like, it has these history options. You have the back button, you have the refresh button, you have address bar, you have home button which you can set up. So you see, web browsing on this is really easy. The browsing does not lag, but the bar on the top, that 5 dots that come which shows loading, that lags a little bit. Nothing else like that. So let's go back to the main menu. You have Facebook. It's like simple Facebook. Let me open it. You have to connect Facebook. It shows this symbol if you aren't connected. I have stopped connecting Windows 8 to Facebook because it causes many problems. It's like all the times it's ringing this notification, that notification. Leave that. I don't. You have the clock. See, analog clock you have, which shows the time in digital format also, and the date and day. You can choose your like cities, universal time. You can know the time of any of the countries, any of that. You can create voice notes. I can't do that because I'm recording at the same time. Sorry, I can't show you that. You have record. You can record it. You have this mic symbol. It looks pretty much like the Siri on iPhone 5 or like any other iPhone. So it's like nice. It shows this voice levels. You can record it. You can see it from here. I have this voice note, 4 seconds long. So let's go back. You have the weather. You can check weather of any of the city. Like, you have to allow Toolbox to use for Windows 8 to use your location. It will happen the same for microphone also. Like, it would ask it would ask you that can it use or not. You have the converter where you can choose like different things. Like, you can choose from air, distance, area, volume, mass. They have very much, and mainly which I use is the currency. I convert many of the times. I convert US dollar into Indian rupee. So the con I found in this was, like, it does not save up. like I mainly use it like USD into INR, that is Indian rupee, but it does not save up like I know that it's nice that it takes up the new currency rates, but it would be nicer if it remembers like USD to INR. I hope there would be some options going into the settings inside, and there would be something, but I haven't found it out up to now. You have the notifier, which would like notify you. It's like a timer stuff. You can choose the hours, like let us do it 1 minute. Let's do it. Let's do start. And when 1 minute overs, it will just ring up. So yeah. So like it's almost over now, so let's see what happens when this completely gets off. So yeah, this comes up like alarm, snooze, and but one thing, who uses a PC or a tablet even to set up his alarm? I feel this a little bit useless. It can be only used up like when I'm gaming, or like I am busy in multiplayer gaming and I want to know when I have to go up for my classes and all that. So it can be only used for that, no other purpose I feel about. So you have the doodle, which is basically like paint or something like that. So it's basically like the fresh paint app on Windows 8. You also have the last tool, which is the tool depot, where you have like a notification center and new tool center. So you have both paid tools and free tools. So as you can see, we have a notes tool. I will never download that. I don't want to waste my money. I have the Evernote app, which I use most of the times. But one thing that I found always, which happens when I use the tool depot, that is the app crashes. Whenever I go into the tool depot, I stay in there for 2 to 3 seconds, or like the time as you saw, it just crashes. It does not go back, it does not do anything, it just simply crashes. So some other tools that could be included are like the calendar tool that can be included. Yeah, that's basically it. The stopwatch is there in tool depot. If it works on you, please comment below. I'll see what is happening with my computer. Is it something with my computer or with the app? So thanks for watching, and I hope you liked the video, and please rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.